Alexis Sanchez isn't having the best time at the moment. Once considered one of the most lethal attacking threats in the Premier League, his stock has fallen dramatically since completing a January move to Old Trafford. Having just scored 1 goal in 10 games for the Red Devils, he's now the less than proud owner of some new footballing records. Premier League record for losing the ball more times than any other player in a single game. FA Cup record for losing the ball more times than any other player in a single game. Champions League record for losing the ball more times than any other player in a single game. For anyone dumb enough to bet Sanchez would win the treble at Manchester United, your bet has just come in. Despite his poor performances of late, the former Barcelona star has banged in the goals since moving to the Premier League, scoring 61 goals in 135 games. Alexis Sanchez and Manchester United must recover quickly from their surprise 2-1 loss to Sevilla on Tuesday evening if they are to have any chance of beating Brighton in the FA Cup quarter-final on Saturday. The Seagulls sit 11th in the Premier League table, 7 points clear of the relegation places, having won 3 of their last 5 matches. Sanchez will have to put in quite the performance if he is to win over the ever-growing list of doubters at Old Trafford, and scoring on Saturday might go some way to silencing the doubters.